One day, while Alexei and Pexi were walking along the beach, Pexi found a seashell.
What is this funny-looking thing?
Pexi asked as he picked up the shell.
That is a seashell,
Alexei replied.
What is a seashell?
Seashells are the skeletons of clams, conchs, and other creatures called mollusks that live in and near the ocean. Mollusks grow their skeletons on the outside of their bodies. Their skeletons are hard to protect their soft bodies inside,
Alexei explained.
But there is nothing inside this shell,
Pexi said.
That's because the creature that lived in it died, leaving the shell behind,
Alexei replied.
Having a shell is like having a house to live in,
Pexi said with a giggle.
And they don't have to shell out money for rent,
Alexei said with a laugh.